Alright, I think on the agenda today is I'm going to go to Dollar General. I need some Diet Coke. And I need some of these little dots, these little label thingies. We got some new books in the museum, and we use these to put the prices on the books. And we got like 60 of one book and probably 15 to 20 of another book. So obviously I don't have enough little dots to put prices on the ones that are just sitting out. So I'm gonna go see if I can't find some of those at Dollar General, get some Diet Coke. I don't know. After that, let's see what I get into. Well, they don't have any Diet Coke. Dang it. $1.50. Oh, these are... Oh, no, they're too big. And I need some envelopes. Look who's behind me. Coca-Cola. They're probably bringing Diet Coke. Oh, I'm not going back in there. Not today, anyway. Maybe if I can't get in, it'll force me to drink iced tea. Yeah, to start making my tea again. Yeah, I've got one case left. This is trash. I have one of these left, so we'll see if I can get any more by the time the sale goes off. I'll have to look when the sale goes off too. So I got the little dots. So that's what I came for. I needed some juice. Sometimes I like to drink juice with my breakfast, so I got one of those. No food. Got some Kleenex. Stuff that you would go to Walmart for if you were near a Walmart. So, yeah, I'm ready to get back to civilization where you can just run to Walmart and get what you want and not have to drive. Well, the drive's probably about the same, but you can get everything at Walmart and not have to go like to Albertsons or something. Alright, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. I have no idea about what to do for the rest of the day. I don't want to stay in camp or at home, so I don't know. Maybe drive down to the river. The fly shop that I usually go to is closed, so I'm not gonna get worms. So unless I go to a different fly shop. So it is 11:30, and I came back to get Sammy, and yeah, it's 79 degrees in the camper. It's like it's too hot for her, so we're gonna ride around in the air-conditioned van, and I don't know, go just park along the river in some shade. I do have my book. I finally brought my book. Planned it. Brought my chair. I don't know. Let's just, maybe I'll go look and see what Toby looks like for, no. Because Sammy can't stay in the van. Because it'll be really hot. This is me thinking out loud. What do you think? She says, I just want to cool off and lay on the bed back there and sleep. Well, that might happen. Well, I pulled into Ponderosa because someone told me that they don't have a park host here anymore, and they sure don't. Wow, it's packed. Man. we should go up on our prices so nobody comes. I don't know why I keep coming through here and saying stuff about that, because it is. There's one person here. It's a Wednesday, but still. No camp host. Wish there was some shade. Oh, my little squirrel. You see the squirrel, Sammy? Run! Wish there was a shade tree. I would just hang out for the day. Well, there's that one. The shade's like in the street. There's that shade. Well, there's a little bit on this side. I got hungry, so now I'm thinking I need to go to Cimarron and go to Creamies. We might have to come back here and hang out there for the day, Sammy. You okay? No park host. That's where the camp host would be. Camp host. I guess you need one when there's nobody here. Alright, I'm at Creamies. I'm gonna go in there. I can't decide if I want a cheeseburger or a chili dog. That looks good, doesn't it? Chili dog. I don't know why you put lettuce and tomatoes on a chili dog. Maybe onions, pickles, relish. Not lettuce and tomatoes. Alright, I don't like it. I cannot eat cold food, and it's cold. And I've already driven down the road a little bit, but it's cold in the sense of not just me driving down the road. Yeah, I can't do it. I can't eat cold food. Off the road because it's kind of raining a little hard, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit. You don't like it? I know, I'm sorry. Better than the heat, isn't it? Better than the heat. It's cooling everything off, isn't it? It's okay. Okay, I think it's time we can go. What? What? You want in my lap? Alright, let's go. Might get some more rain. I pulled into Ponderosa, and I'm in some shade. Yeah, thought I'd walk Sammy. Might get my chair out and sit out here. You gonna do that, Sammy? Just sit out here in the shade. All that dirt, all those moles come up. Hi, Sammy. They say, yeah. Ooh. She says they'll just take the grass and pull it right underneath. I've seen it. Yeah, you have. They want to know. Take the survey to provide feedback. That your campground is empty? We might get some rain, Sammy. Got my chair out, got my book out. Sammy's gonna hang out, aren't ya? You gonna hang out? Oh, that breezes. And feel the moisture in the air. Feels good. I'm gonna sit here and rest. I feel like I've been driving all day, so I'm gonna rest. Read. Reading makes me sleepy, and if that's the case, I'll just crawl into the van and take a nap. Ooh, I think the storms are brewing. Storms are brewing, Sammy. You want to stay here or you want to go home? She says, stay here, Mama. Let's stay here. Well, that didn't last long. It's starting to rain. I guess I'll close the doors. Take a nap. That might be a concept, huh, Sammy? You want to take a nap? Okay. Alright. That didn't last long. Oh, I can't wear those. I'm fixing to sit here and read for a little bit until it quits raining. Then we'll go on down the road. I did fish earlier and I didn't take any footage of it because I left my phone in the van. But per usual, I didn't catch anything. So, alright, I'm going to sit here and read for a little bit. Maybe take a nap. I did not take a nap, but rested a little bit. It quit raining. It's warm in here. I need some air. Some mountain air. Yeah. Alright, let's head either to fish right around the Palisades. I'm not going anywhere else. Or let's go home. It's probably raining at home by now. I probably left my windows open. Well, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I wish we could have sat outside a little. Oh, I guess I could sit out right now, but woo. Mountain air after rain. Oop, don't hit that sign. Oop. Speed bump. What do you think, Sammy? What do you think? Well, I love that smell after a rain. Well, I'm at Maverick. I said I wasn't going to stop anywhere else, but I did. And I tried my fly rod. Oh, I hadn't fished with it in so long. That is a joke. Yeah. Yeah. So, I am going to pack it up and go home or go to the Palisades. Still hadn't decided. Well, I know this video is going to be called Indecisive, but I think I've made up my mind. I think I'm going home because I can't fish. I mean, I love Sammy to death. She's my whole world. But I cannot fish with her. Somebody's pulling in, so I guess I'll wait. When I fished earlier, she got tangled around a bush. Took me 5 minutes. This bench, she got tangled around it. 10 minutes, and around the plants. And it's like, I don't know. I can't fish because she's trying to eat everything there is. I can't. And it's just not pleasant. I'll just say that. I should just go out for the day with her and spend time with her and not try to fish, because it's not ever a pleasant experience, because she's busy. She won't just lay down and, you know, she's looking for her next treat. I know, baby. I know. But that was not fun. Between me fighting the fly rod and telling her to quit and then getting her untangled, and it's just frustrated. I don't know why this person would think it's okay to park behind me. I mean, she's not parked behind me, but she's waiting for that RV to... She was parked a while ago. She was parked. Now she's like backed up. So I can't really move until she moves. But yeah, I'm a little... ready to give it up. I guess I shall wait. It's called patience, right? Right? I haven't had much patience today. Hello. Hello. Well, hello. Goodness. Well, you're just... I can't keep up. Hello. Hello. Okay, I stopped at the Palisades and Sammy's barking. Okay, I'm just plain tired now. I am tired of fishing. I did catch one. I didn't get it to the bank. What does Jack say? Remote release? Yeah, I had a remote release. But I at least had one on the hook for a second. Alright, let's go home. Y'all the babies? Y'all leaving the nest?